Exploring the Pacific Ring of Fire. The Pacific Ring of Fire is an enormous belt of active and dormant volcanoes that surrounds most of the Pacific Ocean. https www.lifescience.com/planet-earth/rivers-oceans. Why is the Pacific Ocean? It runs from southern Chile up the west coast of the Americas, through the islands off Alaska and down Japan to the Philippines. Some geologists also include an Indonesian chain of volcanoes in the ring. These volcanoes arise because of subduction. https www.livescience.com/43220. The movement of a tectonic plate under a neighboring plate, which lowers the melting point of rock in the mantle. The rock turns to magma, rises to the surface and erupts as a volcano. But the Ring of Fire does this subduction on a massive scale. What's special about the Ring of Fire is that multiple oceanic plates in the Pacific have subduction boundaries there. Loïc van der Kluisen explained, a volcanologist at Drexel University. About 90% of the 34,000 miles, 55,000 kilometers, of subduction plate boundaries on Earth are found in the Pacific, van der Kluisen said. This tectonic movement also causes earthquakes. When one plate is forced underneath another, there's lots of kicking and screaming as the plates grind against one another, Jeffrey Carson told Live Science. And so that's where the biggest earthquakes on our planet take place. The Ring of Fire contains about 75% of Earth's active volcanoes, and is where 90% of measured earthquakes occur. What's in a name? The term Ring of Fire is hotly contested among researchers. Many scientists hate the term, van der Kluisen said. For one, it's not actually a complete ring. The volcanoes follow the edges of tectonic plates. https:// What is plate tectonics, which only subduct on the north, east, and west of the Pacific. Also, some areas of the ring have no volcanism at all, such as Peru and central Chile. In addition, the Ring of Fire includes over 450 volcanoes. https oceanexplorer.noaa/facts, rough HTML. Made 20 up of more than 20 than, Japan, 2C, and 2 New Zealand, in distinct regions. And they all differ in their magma production, storage, and the positioning of their subducting plate, van der Kluisen said. Each volcano has its own individual history and flavor that, from a research perspective, is more effective to study individually rather than trying to link all the Ring of Fire volcanoes together that are otherwise geologically linked, he said. Some experts believe the term has taken on a false meaning in popular culture, with the implication that it's one big structure, Eric Clemetti noted. It works nicely as a way to describe the fact that there are an awful lot of volcanoes along the edge of the Pacific, he said. But the ring is just a geographic coincidence of our current moment on Earth.